let's talk Ashki. Ashki 2, yes, a brand new movie coming to you, and it has another Kapoor in it. OMG. Bollywood's kind of filling up with Kapoors. Here's a brand new Kapoor for you.
मोहब्बत, आशिकी, सिर्फ लफ्जों के सिवा और कुछ नहीं। पर जब वो मिली, इन लफ्जों को मायने मिल गए।
I remember in the first standard, I used to get these anonymous letters from this one boy.
I had gone into a manic stage at one time in the 9th standard when one girl had dumped me and I was very sad and I was really depressed. So that was my first heartbreak.
तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना, अपने तू दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना.
Times may have changed, the expression of love might have changed, but love remains the same, except that it has two fresh faces. Am I right?
Fresh faces. Are you fresh faced?
I have slept only 2 hours, so I'm not that fresh. But yeah, when I was shooting the film, I tried to get my fair share of sleep.
We're not fresh faces nowadays. We are juggling dubbing and promotions and a lot of things at one point of time. I've had to put extra makeup today also. So it took me 4 hours, 5 hours to get it.
Giving out a secret, Shraddha.
The dark circles have reached till here actually.
प्यार, मोहब्बत, आशिकी, सिर्फ लफ्जों के सिवा और कुछ नहीं। पर जब वो मिली, इन लफ्जों को मायने मिल गए।
The promos have received a great response. The song, of course, the songs are doing really well. Want to know from you guys, what's your favorite track from this?
Tum Hi Ho. It's unanimously, a lot of people are loving it. We got a ridiculous amount of hits in the first week itself. We got 2 million.
Many people watched it. Yeah.
He's clearly not good with the numbers.
So it's become a rage and it's amazing and it's my favorite song.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
The film was offered to you. Did you guys have this kind of thing in your mind that the film is going to be compared to the original? And did you remember watching the film? Did you ever go back to the CD, watch it all over again?
Of course, I remember watching the film. I was really small though when it released a while ago. It released many years ago, but I was really small. And I remember the songs being a big rage. Just the way our songs are becoming now and have become already. So it feels really nice. And I've always wanted to be part of a romantic story. So it's happening now. So it's a dream come true.
धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना, तुमसे प्यार हमें है कितना जाने जाना, तुमसे मिलकर तुमको है बताना.
I saw the original, but I don't have many memories of the film because I was very small when I watched it. The songs, of course, have stuck in my mind. But yeah, once I signed the film, I didn't consciously go to watch the film again. I said, now I'm going to watch it once this film is out, just to see what the similarities are and stuff. But yeah, the fond memories of the music and stuff like that. But I wanted to go to this with a fresh slate because Mohit was doing that as well.
जब से तुझे देखा दिल को कहीं आराम नहीं, मेरे होठों पे तेरे सिवा कोई नाम नहीं.
Which one is your favorite track from the original? If you had to pick up one song that kind of stays with you even today.
I like Saason Ki Zarurat.
Same here.
Hey, what is this? Shraddha?
Same here.
Yeah, I think that was the one that I really like because it has some guitar on it and I'm a guitar fiend, so yeah, that's my thing. Yeah.
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए, बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए.
Also, the film is quite special. The original one was also. We did have quite a few romantic scenes. What's the most craziest or the most funniest thing that the two of you have done maybe when you were younger for love?
I would not see now writing love letters in blood and all is not something that one must propagate. Please don't do that.
Have you done that?
I got close. I got into a manic stage at one time in the 9th standard when one girl had dumped me and I was very sad and I was really depressed. So that was my first heartbreak. You're laughing at me. Why are you laughing at me? So I was I nearly got there, but I had gotten pretty intense. So yeah, I've had
Earlier.
some.
And not during the film or anything. So.
Yeah, I've had some heartbreaks, so I had some true experiences to pull from. Yeah.
What about you? What's the most craziest thing that someone has done for you?
So I remember in the first standard, I used to get these anonymous letters from this one boy, and I used to keep guessing who is it, because he wouldn't write his name. And then one day I actually guessed, and so I was right. And
because there were so many boys sending her love letters in the first standard.
No, there was only one boy, and he was this shy little fellow. So when I guessed that it was him, he was so shy. It's quite cute now that I look back at it.
मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में ओ दुश्मन जमाना मुझे ना भुलाना मैं खुद को मिटा दूंगा तेरी चाहत में
You know, it's about love. It's a film about love. It has so much romance. You get to play the rock star, of course. You know, you're having the guitar, you're singing song. How good are you as a singer, and how much would you rate him as a singer?
He's a very good singer. He plays the guitar also really well. he's very multi-talented. Actor है, singer है, musical instrument भी बजा सकता है. Package deal.
अरे वाह. Why have you shown no interest in me so far then? Yeah, right now it's already like you. Where was all this talk? All this while she's been criticizing me.
It's for our film.
It's all for the camera, I'm telling you. She doesn't really think these things about me.
It is actually.
For once, I'm shocked. I can't believe. No. I'm just joking. I'm pulling a leg.
Okay, but tell us, how was it playing the rock star? What are the things that did you draw from a particular character, or was it just?
In the sense, I was lucky that I already knew how to play the guitar, so I didn't have to go through that whole trouble of making that look convincing because that was taken care of, and that makes a big difference. You know, this is the way you hold the instrument, the way you play it. I think people guess whether you know it or not, and audiences become much more sensitive to that nowadays. So that was good, and it was cool because I think my dream was to be a musician first before an actor, and before that a cricketer. Well, that's another thing altogether. But to live it out on screen and to actually do that whole thing was something which was a really fun experience for me. You get to have all these people shouting for you, even though they're being paid to do it. But it's alright.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना हर सांस पे नाम तेरा क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो.
Can we get a sneak peek at one of the dialogues, the way you have mouthed it in the film?
See, let me tell you, on set it was tough for me to remember dialogues. So right now I don't know if I'm going to be able to remember even one. so maybe you can help me with some dialogues.
With some dialogues.
What heavy duty dialogues?
Heavy duty dialogues, बाप रे.
आशिकी सिर्फ लफ्जों के सिवा और कुछ नहीं, पर जब वो मिली इन लफ्जों को मायने मिल गए.
That's the line.
Wow! He remembered it. That's great.
I have a feeling that this guy is lying to us.
He clearly, he remembered.
We have two fun actors who are, of course, musically inclined. We have a guitar here. If we can have a couple of lines from you, and if you can strum the guitar.
Sure, I'm at your...
Couple of lines.
ये मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं आना अपनी तू दिल का पता दे चाहूं मैं आना
तू ही मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं आना अपने तू दिल का बता दे चाहूं मैं आना.
What a voice she has, huh?
What a voice he has.
But before I let you guys go, great music, great promos. One reason why people shouldn't miss this film.
one reason why people should not miss this film is because of its story. And go and watch it, feel the love that we share between us, and enjoy it.
Yeah, I think it's that. I think we've made a really honest attempt. We've tried to really keep it as simple as possible. It's a simple love story with very basic emotions that I think everyone has felt. It is the epitome of love that these people share with each other, and I think something that people like to see because it's something they're either yearning for or that is something that they've felt themselves. So if you want to watch an intense love story with a lot of heart, then watch it.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, and we certainly hope that this is a big hit for both of you.
Thank you so much.
And we'll catch you guys after the hit, maybe.